Hello dear students, hope you are all at your places. Dear student, we are doing unit 2 section B, and in previous video I have explained you about a poem on tree. Trees are the kindest thing I know. And today we will do fill in the blanks of this poem. Let's recite one more time. Trees are the kindest thing I know. They don't harm, they simply grow and spread a shade for sleepy cows and gather bird among the boughs. They are the first when days begin to touch the beams of the morning sun. They are the last to hold the night when evening changes into night. And when a moon floats on the sky, they hum a drowsy lullaby of sleepy children long ago. Trees are the kindest thing I know. So today we will fill the blank on the basis of this poem which I have recited. Let's start. There are the dash of all things that we know. There are the kindest. So you will write kindest. So trees are the kindest of all things that we know because they do not dash anyone. As we know, they do not harm. So we will fill harm here, HARM, harm anyone. They grow peacefully and spread their branches all around. Cows rest in their dash. So what we read in the poem, cow rest in their shades. So we will write shade here, SHADE. Cow rest in their shades and bird gather to rest in their bough. BOUGHS, boughs. When the day begins, the first beam of the dash falls on the tree. So whose beam falls on the tree? Yes, the sun. So we will write sun here, SUN, sun. When the day begins, the first beam of the sun falls on the trees. They are the last to hold the dash of the sun when the days turn into dash. So they are the last hold the light, LIGHT, light of the sun when the day turn into night. And NIGHT, night. During the night, the moon dash on the sky. So moon float. F L O A T, float on the sky, and the leaves move about silently, humming a dash to help the children sleep. So lullaby. L U double L A B Y, lullaby, to help the children sleep. So dear student, here we have completed the summary of the poem. I'm going to read it one more time. Trees are the kindest of all things that we know, because they do not harm anyone. They grow peacefully and spread their branches all around. Cow rest in their shades, and bird gather to rest in their bough. When the day begins, the first beam of the sun falls on the tree. They are the last to hold the night of the sun when the day turns into night. During the night, the moon floats on the sky and the leaves move about silently humming a lullaby to help the children sleep. So we will write as here, floats, to help the children for sleep. Trees have been serving mankind selfishly for age. Hence, they are the kindest thing we know. So, जितने भी ट्रीज हैं वो सेल्फिशली बहुत सालों से क्या कर रहे हैं, मैन को सर्विसेज दे रहे हैं अपनी, चाहे वो काउस को शेड देकर, चाहे हमें वुड देकर, मेडिसिन देकर. ठीक है, तो क्या है, ये काइंडेस्ट थिंग है. नाउ I will discuss exercise B, which is given on page number 39. B4. Describe the 3 acts of kindness shown by tree. So, tree के जो आपने 3 kindness जो हमारे लिए वो करते हैं उसके बारे में बताना है. So, as we know, ट्री क्या करते हैं, सबसे पहले तो हमें फ्रूट्स देते हैं. सो वी विल राइट ट्री गिव अस फ्रूट्स. इट्स आर tree give us fruits. Fine. Then tree give us, और क्या देते हैं हमें trees? Yes, oxygen. Tree give us oxygen. Trees give us, क्या देते हैं, वुड्स. वुड भी देते हैं हमें, लकड़ी देते हैं ना, जिससे घरों में क्या बनता है, विंडो, डोर, बॉक्सेस, टेबल, चेयर, सब कहाँ से बनता है, जब ये हमें ये सारी चीज़ें देते हैं. सो हियर वी हैव डन exercise B4. सो आप यू कैन राइट योर ओन एक्ट्स ऑफ काइंडनेस शोन बाय टीचर। आप अपने भी आपको लगता है कि ये भी करते हैं वो भी लिख सकते हैं। ज़रूरी नहीं कि तीनों जो मैंने लिखे ही लिखने। आपको कुछ भी लगता है कि ये भी कर मेडिसिन देते हैं वो लिख सकते हैं, ठीक है। कुछ भी अगर आपको लगता है कि ट्री यहाँ पर हमारी हेल्प करते हैं, काइंड एक्ट करते हैं, वो आप यहाँ पर लिख सकते हैं। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, दैट्स ऑल फॉर द डे। टुडे आई हैव एक्सप्लेन्ड यू B3 and B4. So you will write this exercise on page number 39. Describe the three acts on kindness shown by the trees and fill in the blanks on page number 38. And what will you do? You will make and draw the picture of a tree in your इंग्लिश नोटबुक। अपनी इंग्लिश नोटबुक में आप ट्री की पिक्चर बना सकते हैं। और साथ में अगर आपको लगता है कि ट्रीज़ हमें क्या क्या देते हैं, फ्रूट्स, ऑक्सीजन, वुड के अलावा, वो 5 थिंग भी आप उसके नीचे मेंशन कर सकते हैं। सो थैंक यू एंड हैव ए नाइस डे।